what do you need to get started with digital planning? Well, first you need a tablet of some sort with a stylus, or in this case, an Apple Pencil. So this is an iPad Pro 11-inch. And the reason why you need this is where you're going to plan. This is how you're going to digital plan. After you get your type of tablet with your stylus or Apple Pencil, in this case, we're going to talk about, in this series, we're going to talk about the iPad and the application GoodNotes. There are other applications, but we're going to specifically talk about the iPad, and we're going to talk about the application GoodNotes. So what it is, these are note-taking and PDF markup. So there's going to be GoodNotes, there's Notability, I think there's another one called Note Taker, if I'm not mistaken, and you can use, I believe, also OneNote with the Android tablets. But again, because I'm going to teach you about what I have personally, so this is an iPad with an Apple Pencil, 2nd generation Apple Pencil, and an iPad Pro 11. And the application is going to be GoodNotes. So you're going to go, if you are on an iPad, you're going to go into your Apple Store. If you're on an Android, you go to Google Play. You download, what these applications are note-taking apps. They're applications that you can write on a PDF or mark up a PDF, and it actually says note-taking and PDF markup. So again, there's GoodNotes, Notability, Note Taker, so forth. But I use GoodNotes, and this whole entire series is going to be focused on the iPad and GoodNotes. So download your application, and that's where we start.